Thought I would show some progress. This is masking tape with some wire. I cut some triangles out of some card. Then I covered that with foil here. And now what I've started to do is get some card and create a bit of a slope here. Put the clay foam over so I don't have to use as much foam. Here is the headpiece covered in foam. I tried to smooth out this joint as much as I could, but this is the side and the back. So when people say to me you should sell your headpieces, half of them look like this at the back. I don't want to waste all that product to put on the back of this when I'm just using it for Instagram and TikTok and no one's going to see it. But I'm super happy with how it looks at the moment.